Good morning. Today I've got the Sabpack gun cleaning snake. Kind of a, I guess a knockoff maybe, or a generic bore snake. And here's what it looks like. Nice pull handle. It has the copper bristles, I guess about halfway down. And then it's got a weighted end. Not threaded or anything. So we're going to pull it through the barrel. It's a Glock 19 torn down. See how well she works. I don't remember what this one cost. I picked it up because they're good for when we're running classes and carry them down the range without having to break out the full cleaning rods and such. It pulls fairly easy. And then you got a loop. Pull it back. This gun needs a cleaning. It's been shot quite a bit here lately. Seems to be running just fine though, but I like to do a little PMC from now and then. So not bad. I'll run it through a few times and over the months and see if it holds up. Never really used a bore snake before, other than the closest thing I've used is a chain type cleaning kit for Mausers or AK, some of these German cleaning kits. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're looking for a bore snake, you might look at the Sabpack gun cleaning snake.